This is a Steinway M, 1927. Many would argue some of the best Steinways ever built. Has a unique fallboard decal at the request of the person that rebuilt it, the owner. He was a judge in Aspen, and this piano has been played very little in the last 30 years, really. And you can see the beautiful condition of the original ivory keys. Ebonies are beautiful. What has been done on this piano? It was rebuilt by Colorado Piano Works, one of the best piano restoration companies in Colorado, if not in the nation. The piano received a full restoration, but did retain the original soundboard, the heart and soul of this piano. It was felt that to keep the original character of the piano, and it was in such good shape that it was shimmed and repaired. The bridges were also repaired. All the pins are extremely tight in the bridges, no separation, no delamination. The tuning pins are extremely tight. It did receive a new pin block. As you can see, for a restoration that was done 30 years ago, it looks amazing, absolutely amazing. The finish is nice. The Satin Ebony has a tiny bit of very light crazing on the music rack here. But it's in beautiful condition. And for the price, absolutely phenomenal. Let me try to put down this lid prop, and we will look at the rest of the condition of the lid. Has beautiful nickel hardware. It's in very, very nice shape. Always the question that everybody wants to know, why am I getting rid of it? Because I have changed, changes, seasons in life, I would say. I haven't played in a considerable amount of time, and I think that is unfortunate for such a wonderful instrument. So if anybody has any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm happy to show this. I am in Fort Collins in Colorado, and happy to answer any questions or help anybody arrange. I've done many piano moves over the years. I've had many Steinways and have good connections with the ability to get these shipped nationwide for the right person. Thank you.